cleanse my area first. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's my before. I struggle with exfoliating sometimes, and I'm looking in my mirror, so sorry if you guys can't see. I think you guys can. It's a bad angle for me. Going in the opposite direction. Using less wax. Oh, shit, this is bad. Looks good to me. Same thing with cleanse. This is the one on this one. Oh my god. That was thin, so that was to be expected. Fair.
Why, oh 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 why, why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh.
All-time favorite oil. That's the after. I actually really like this wax. Waxing my underarms versus someone else's underarms is completely different. I had to go change because it was absolutely freezing in my house, so sorry about that. But it's cut, so you guys can't even see it, so never mind. But on with the review, I give this wax a 9 out of 10. The quality is amazing. I absolutely love the smell. It smells like, hold on, like it smells like cherries, but it's like sweet cherry something. It's like a sweet cherry candy. It's literally, it smells so good. Quality is amazing. It gets the job done. As you saw in the videos, it got my hair from the fruit, so that's what I'm looking for in a wax, getting the hair from the root, not breaking on me, getting the job done. Keep in mind, it's very different from waxing someone else when you're waxing. Like, I wax myself. It's so different waxing someone else. Like, those strips are not going to be the best. It's not going to have that much pressure. I did have to go in with, I think, like a little, like, not a full strip, but like, what was I saying? The video cut off, so I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, so I didn't have the best pressure because waxing yourself is so different compared to waxing someone else. So much different. So I did have to go in with, like, not like a full strip, but like taking a little bit on my baby wax sticks and like going in with the 1 to 2 hairs. It is doing that real fast and getting those out. I had like 2 to 3 hairs on each armpit that I was not tweezing, and I knew the wax was gonna get on its own, so I just went in with a little wax on itself and got it. So I get this wax, I think I said a 9 out of 10, but yeah, that's what I give it. A 9 out of 10. The wax is amazing. I love Sexy Smooth. If you're looking to order, you guys can go ahead and use my code Sexy Smooth Lily. Pretty sure the wax is $12.50 right now. With my code, it brings it down. I'm not sure, but with my code it's 20%. So yeah, if you guys would like to order, go ahead and order. I will tag Sexy Smooth below, and you guys can go to their account and click their link, and then you can also just type in my code at the end. It will say discount code, and you can use that. Bye guys, have a great day.